In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import clients' CSV into FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Make sure you're using the correct account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one business profile. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard, where you can access the tools needed for importing your client list. Next, open the Clients section by selecting Clients from the left-hand menu. This is where all of your customer and client records are stored. And it's also where FreshBooks gives you the option to bring in client information from an external file. From there, start the client import by choosing the option to import clients from a CSV file. If you've already prepared your spreadsheet ahead of time, this part should be quick. The CSV file should contain the client data you want to bring into FreshBooks, organized into separate columns. Now upload your CSV file. Select the file from your computer and let FreshBooks process it. Once the file is uploaded, the system will guide you through matching your spreadsheet columns to the correct FreshBooks fields. At this stage, match the client information fields carefully. You'll want to map details like first name, last name, company, email address, and phone number to the corresponding columns in your CSV. This step is important because it tells FreshBooks exactly where each piece of information belongs. Take a moment here to double-check the matches so your imported client records stay clean and accurate. After that, click Continue to move to the address mapping screen. This is where you'll connect the address-related columns from your CSV to the right fields inside FreshBooks. First, match address line 1 by selecting the CSV column that contains that information. Then, continue by mapping the remaining address details, including address line 2, city, state, zip code, and country. If some of these fields are blank in your spreadsheet, that's fine, but any information you do have should be mapped correctly, so each client record is as complete as possible. Once all of the fields are assigned, review the field mappings carefully. Confirm that every FreshBooks field points to the correct CSV column. Then check the address information one more time to make sure everything is aligned properly and there are no obvious mistakes. When everything looks good, click Import Clients. FreshBooks will begin importing the records from your CSV file into your clients list. Finally, verify the imported clients by reviewing your clients list. Look through a few records to confirm the information came in correctly and that the import was completed successfully. Thanks for watching.